Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a music folder on your Android phone so you can organize your songs easily. Start by opening the Files or My Files app, which is pre-installed on most Android devices. Go to internal storage or your SD card, depending on where you want your music saved. Tap the three-dot menu or the plus icon, then select Create Folder. Name the folder Music or anything you like, and tap Create. Now you can move your songs into this folder. Just select your audio files, tap Move or Copy, and place them inside your new music folder. Once done, your music player app will automatically detect the new folder and display your songs in the library. And that's how you create a music folder on your Android phone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.